Hello, guys. This video will help you fix iPhone asks for passcode after factory reset. The first way, open iTunes to reset iPhone again. Find a USB cable and then connect the iPhone to a computer. Put the device into recovery mode. Press the volume up button, then volume down. Press and hold the side button. Don't release the button until recovery mode appears on the screen. Open iTunes on the computer. A new window pops up here and asks you to restore or update iPhone. Click Restore. Tap on Restore and Update to continue. Click Next. And agree. Don't disconnect the devices during restoring iPhone. After some time, iPhone is wiped successfully. And then wait for the iPhone to be restarting. The second way, use some software to remove the screen lock. Open your Google Chrome. And then search for this site. Unlock the lock screen with your iPhone Passcode Tuner. Just click Free Trial to download the software. Make sure you have installed iTunes. After the download, launch iPhone Passcode Tuner. Tap on Unlock Lock Screen. Click the Start button. Connect your iPhone to the PC. If the program hasn't recognized the iPhone, just take the above-mentioned steps to put the device into recovery mode. Click Next. Tap on the download button to get the firmware package. Read the notes before unlocking. Then click Unlock. Okay, now it is removed successfully. Set up your iPhone as new one and then you will find the screen lock is completely removed. That's all. Thanks for watching.